Bitcoin might be on the verge for a really big imminent move here within the next couple hours. So, and I definitely want that you check this out. So, and we have also prepared again a lot of different really interesting content here for you guys, so you should definitely stick around until the end to catch all of it. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these really important updates. And now let's get here straight into the charts. So I'm here on the 4-hourly chart, and we have seen here Bitcoin consolidating to the downside in this falling broadening wedge, and broke then to the upside. So, and in the meantime, Bitcoin had also created this symmetrical triangle here with the clear resistance here on the upside, and here this upward sloping support. And now we are on the verge to see a potential new breakout for the Bitcoin price here to the upside. So, but the question is, where would be the technical target of this? So if we measure this here by textbook, so, and we would break out now, then look at this. The technical target would be up at $26,000. So, but there is a catch, guys. Bitcoin got rejected multiple times now from area here. So let me actually move this a little bit higher. So here, there we can see that. I changed the color for you guys. Let's make it red. So we had multiple times rejected. So here you can see it. We got rejected here at the $20,400 mark. We got here rejected and created a potential double top here, a spinning top. So then we got again rejected yesterday. So in this candle, we got really close to this level and yet another rejection. So, but I can tell you, if in the next hour we can maintain to stay at the level where the Bitcoin price is at right now, at $20,200, then on a stochastic RSI, we get a new buy signal that could give us the small push that we need right now to break out here, to break above $20,400. And if we can close a 1-hourly candle above this level, then I'm pretty confident that we will actually go here into higher levels for the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. But we should also not rule out the possibility that we get here another rejection and the Bitcoin price dumps here one more time down to the bottom of this symmetrical triangle and potentially drop out of it. So this chance has actually decreased by a lot, and we can see that on the daily chart. So because we are forming here more and more a potential W pattern with the neckline at $22,000 approximately. So, and we are putting here in another new green candle on the daily chart, which is again another sign that we might see here soon the move to the neckline for the Bitcoin price to test this neckline, and then we have to see what's going to happen. If we are managing to breaking through this, remember the technical target is all the way up at close to $29,000, all the way up here, if Bitcoin can break this neckline. So then when we are looking on the weekly chart for Bitcoin, however, we can also clearly see that we are really close to get our bottoming signal in here on the pi cycle bottom indicator. So by this end of the week, I believe that we could see this indicator flashing, and that means that we either have already hit the bottom, or that we are really close to hit the bottom. Once this indicator flashes, and once this indicator has settled with the next weekly candle close afterwards, then we know that the bottom is in and that we can now start buying back into the market and also use a little bit more leverage on our trades. So, and guys, and if you want a leverage trade, then don't forget on Bybit, you still get $4,500 with my specific link here. Only with this link you will get this bonus. Takes just a couple of seconds. You know, you sign up, you log in, you deposit some money, start trading, claim your bonus. That's it. Takes maybe maximum 20 seconds. So, or on Phemex, $4,100 also only with my specific link. And these bonuses are not that long anymore available. I actually don't know for how long. They can change it any day. So you should definitely take advantage of these bonuses as long as they are available. So now imagine if you trade with $4,500 on a 10x leverage, that's $45,000 in margin absolutely for free that you can trade with and keep all the profits. So you should definitely take advantage of that. So let me go back here because I want to see what's happening here also on the 1 hourly chart. So here on the 1 hourly chart, so we can clearly see that a lot of momentum is coming in here on the stochastic RSI, and we are forming also a potential W bottom here with the neckline, what surprise, at $20,400. So, but we can also see here way clearer on the 1 hourly chart how strong this resistance is from this downward sloping resistance line of that symmetrical triangle. So, and yeah, we have here actually a double bottom within a double bottom, what I'm seeing here right now. So you could also say that here's one. So, but this is actually a bullish sign for the Bitcoin price. It makes me also a little bit more bullish. The only thing that makes that damps it a little bit is that the stochastic RSI is already quite high here yet again. But for this, we can of course look on the EMA ribbons, and here we are in a clear uptrend for now. As long as we are riding here above the yellow string, we are in an uptrend. So, and as long as we keep doing this, we should see higher prices for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Here also on the 4 hourly chart, you can see the yellow string is working its way into the ribbon, and when the yellow string comes up, then we know also on the 4 hourly chart we are back in an uptrend, and that will spill over then also into higher time frames. Sorry guys. So yeah, that's basically it already for today. Guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen. Do we break it to the upside, or we will see here another dump to the downside? So, and most of the people out there are actually wrong today. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.